Is there a world where I open the box and I see the awake cat as a different world from the one in which I open the box and it's asleep?
There will be two worlds, and it happens long before you open the box, because as soon as the other stuff in the box, as soon as the photons and the atoms and everything become entangled with the cat, boom, there's two worlds.
So where are those two worlds? Or is that the wrong question?
That's the wrong question. The worlds are not located in space. Space is located in each world.
Holy crap.
He knows it.
I gotta go. I gotta go.
I don't believe in it anymore. It's over. There is no